Well, hello and welcome to the YOBSN free video. My name is Stephen Wright and I'll be your host for this video. And over the next few minutes, we're going to take you on a very quick tour. We'll be as quick as possible anyway, but there is a lot to cover. And YOBSN, now YOBSN up here, you can see what I'm saying. It's a funny sounding word. It's YOBSN. That stands for your own branded social network. And as a user of YOBSN, you get a whole lot of stuff for free. Just like when you go on Facebook, you join Facebook for free, or you use YouTube for free, and Yahoo and Google and Skype and all of that sort of stuff. And this video is just really to give you a very quick tour and overview of all the things you get for free. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about with YOBSN, it works on any computer and any browser. You can set up an account as a free user, doesn't cost you any money, or you can become a YOBSN owner. If you want to know more about the YOBSN owner, then what you should see is the videos YOBSN branding or YOBSN money. But today we're talking about YOBSN free. So I'm logged into the demo account, and right now I'm on the home overview page. Now, as you can see down here, see how when I put my mouse on there, that gives me different options in the menu. This is the page I'm on. There's a social dashboard here. There's also the overview page, which is also what we're on. Then we can go into the social area, and there's all different things in the social area. You can see in the sites, this is where the fantastic sites, the special websites are. You can see here, this is the fantastic videos and the special videos. And over here are our educational libraries, the My University and the My Education. Now, just along from there, you can see there's some company updates. This is the settings page that is set by the YOBSN owner. And then we've got the company updates. Now, underneath that, you can see this is a pay-per-click advertising banner, which is a very important part. And if you want to know more about the advertising and branding on YOBSN, as I mentioned, just see the YOBSN branding video. And over here is what we call the dynamic bar branding. Now, all this here, from this grey line down, this is the dynamic bar, which follows the user wherever they go on the internet. And there's some significant benefits to that. Firstly, as a free user, you can earn social points on your internet activity, and I'll talk to you a little bit about the social reward point program we have. And within one click of your mouse, you can be back and getting all of the great benefits that you receive for free with YOBSN. And obviously, from the YOBSN owner's point of view, while they're earning money while the user is on the internet. And if you want to know more about that, see the video YOBSN money. Now, up the top here, you can see we've got YOBSN, the label. You can see this is the YOBSN owner's name, but we're on the demo account. You can see this is some branding there from the YOBSN owner. This bonus here is, this is where you can actually add an add-on extension which will follow you. It's just a bonus that if you want to, it's a very simple, takes a couple of seconds to do it, and then you add that extension onto your browser, and then YOBSN will follow you even if you go up into your favorites and things like that. Now, further along here, this is the quick search menu, and this is the log out button. But once you're logged in, you never need to log out. So every time you come back to your website, your YOBSN, you'll be able to, you're automatically logged in. If you want to log out, you can, of course. Now, down this left panel, this is the home menu, which we're on now. This is the My Connections. Now, these are all the free features that you get as a user of YOBSN. So let's go into those. For example, we've got the discussion, where you can participate in discussion groups. These are the different discussion groups that you can participate in as a user. Now, what we've also got is our Smart Chirp. Now, this is our most popular communication feature. This is like if you're sending a tweet on Twitter or on Facebook, you know, the Facebook feed. Now, all you do is, let's say I just wanted to say, hello, everyone. I am just, better correct my spelling, just making the YOBSN free video. And then when I send that that's going to go out to all of my friends everyone who's my friend on YOBSN. See, that's gone out. You can see this is my avatar. I'll talk to you a little bit about the avatar in a moment. Now, what we can also do here is we can upload a video or a video link like what you can see here. Mariette, one of my friends and one of our YOBSN owners, has uploaded a video link there. You can see you can also upload photos and you can upload a live link. Now, if I go down, you can see all the different, there's a nice photo. You can see here's a lovely message from one of our YOBSN owners over in Turkey. And so you can see these are messages from all of my friends. And so when you send a chirp out, that will instantaneously go out to all of your friends that you have on YOBSN in your community. So it's a great free communication feature. Now, we also have a smart chat service, which is an instant message service. And once again, this is connected a way that you can communicate with all of your friends. And then we also have a private mail service. Now, I'm just going to log in here and go into the mail service. We'll just see what's happening there with the mail. Now with the mail, you can see a message from Stephen Wright on how to maximize, and this is me, right? So these are all a lot of different mails, and it's just like, you know, you can create a message, you've got your inbox, you've got your sent, and you can create folders, you can do whatever you want. So it's a private mail service. Obviously, the only people can use it are YOBSN users, and you connect with all of your friends. And so they're the free communication features that you have. Now, this is the social center. The social updates is a place where you keep up to date with all of your friends, what's happening with all the updates of what they're doing on YOBSN. The My Friends, this is a pretty important area, like in any social network. The My Friends area is where this is all of your friends. Now you can create groups for your friends. I've got all of them in one. I haven't, and then your free members. But remember, this is the demo account. So we haven't got any free members on our demo account. You can create a new group just by going there. You've got your list organizer. You can filter by friends. And notice here, I could go here, and this is Anita, who actually does our product webinars. And I could send Anita a hug. And a hug was just sent to Anita. This is Carol, who does a lot of the stuff for us. I could send Carol a hug, for example, and that just goes out. You can see that you can also, you've got short links to the chat, to the mail. I can view the profile. And up here is where you can search by a person's name or by their username, and you just type it in and then search, just like you would if you were searching on Facebook, Twitter, or on Skype. Pretty basic, right? Now, here's the avatar. Now, this is pretty exciting. You can see all of the friends have avatars. Now, we've got an avatar creator system, which once again, it's for free. You can create a male model or a female model. You can choose the face. You can choose the hairstyle, the color. Like if I click there, notice how that just changed. If I go back there, that will change. I can change the color to whatever color I want. We might go back there to there. And then I can change the eyebrows and just select which color and which type of eyebrow I want, or the eyes and the colors. So it gives you a bit of an opportunity. You can go and change the clothing. Like if I want to change the top there, and then that just go, and then I just save it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. You can go in and have your own fun, and then that's your full-length avatar. That's the avatar for your friends list, and that's the avatar that's seen in the chat system. So our members have a lot of fun with that avatar. Like people can go in, they can put on a new handbag or new hairstyle or new outfit, and then they send a chirp out to all their friends saying, hey, go and check my new avatar out. They have a lot of fun with that, and remember that that's all for free. And then you've got your profile. Now, what we've also got is we've got a reward point program. Now, the reward point program, I'm sure you've heard of other reward point programs like flybys, frequent flyers, air miles. You know, reward point programs are very popular. And our reward point program is a little bit different than any others that I know of, because you're never required to spend money to earn points. There are many ways that you can win points and earn points within YOBSN, and I'll show you some of those as we go through this tour. And then with those points, you can then come and redeem those points in this reward point store. Now, what you're seeing here is really just the beginning. We will be adding gift cards from local business communities for our members all around the world, and supporting local business communities. And so you can go and redeem your points for valuable products or gift cards from businesses. So that's our reward point program. And then we have our education. Now, we've got our smart library. This is the smart technology library. Once again, these are all for free. These are all the different subjects like social networks. We've got Windows operating systems, Windows software. And as you click along here, that will take you to more selections. Now, if I select that, like if I select WordPress. Now, WordPress is suggested to be one of the best website or blogging platforms on the internet. And we've got all of the training there all for free. And if you want to watch a video, you just click on that video. That's all about upgrading on WordPress Essentials. And then the video comes up. You'll find that these are great quality videos. You can put it into a large screen just by clicking there. You just press escape and you go back to small screen. I've got the mute button on because I don't want that to upset us. If you want to go to the next video in the series, you just click next. If you want to go back to home, you just click home. Nice and simple, very easy to navigate. There's hundreds of videos in this library on a broad range of subjects, from social networks to computers, computer operating systems, the internet marketing, digital devices, and so much more. And we're adding to that all the time. And I do know over the next 12 months, there's going to be a really big upgrade on this library. So, and remember, we give it all for free. Now, the other library we have is our My University library. Now, it works on the same principle. We've got thousands of videos. Now, this is more your traditional standard forms of education, like, as you can see, you've got subjects like algebra, arithmetic, biology, brain teasers, calculus. And if we just click along, will take us to chemistry, current economics, history, geometry, organic chemistry. And we can just keep clicking along. You can see that we've got physics, probability, trigonometry, statistics, valuation and investing, GMATs, SATs. We've even got lectures from Stanford and Yale universities. And so there are thousands of videos there on a broad range of subjects from grade school to university level. If you want to watch a video, you just select, and these are all Stanford University String Theory, Lecture 1 up to Lecture 8, and you just click on that and that will bring up that video for that particular series. Nice and simple, and so that's the My Education. Now what I'm going to go now is I'm just going to go over to the shortcut to the dashboard, okay? Now, on the dashboard, this is where it's got all of the free stuff here. Like, this is the branding for the YOBSN owner on the Debo account. And if you want to know more about this or the Buy YOBSN and that, come and look at our other videos, YOBSN Branding or YOBSN Money. But this has got the free stuff. Like if I clicked on that, that will take me to the prize draws. Now this is a very popular feature for our members. It's designed for you to click on these boxes once a day. I'll click on the daily prize and notice it says, congratulations, you just won 1 social point. So that's one way that you can earn social points. Click on the weekly prize and I'll win entries into the weekly prize draw. On the monthly prize, I win entries into the monthly prize draw. Now, if I go and click that monthly prize again, you'll notice it says, you've already clicked today, come back tomorrow. So you can only click these once a day. Now, if you go up here, you can see our winners. Now, we've got a list of winners here from all around the world. As I scroll down, what I want you to do is I want you to look at Stella here in South Africa. In July, she won the prize for $250, a weekly prize draw. These are all our winners here. They all won $250. This person here in Croatia won a brand new Ace netbook by clicking the monthly prize draw. Have a look at all of these winners. As I go down, these people have been winning prizes with us from all around the world just by clicking on those weekly and monthly prize draws. Have a look at the different prizes, cash prizes, laptop computers, brand new Nintendo Wiis, iPods. Have a look, this person, Core in Malaysia, won a brand new Nintendo Wii. All of these people here won a brand new Nintendo Wii. Hans in Germany won this laptop. Have a look here, Gary in the United States. Look at this 17-inch screen laptop just by clicking the monthly prize draw. All of these people here won 500 in cash. And they all won that just by clicking these prize draws. How cool is that? Now let's just go back to this dashboard again. So that's another thing you get for free. You also get the communication, which would take you to the Smart Chirp and the different communication features. Now, I haven't talked about the games. Now, I'm going to go to Smart Media Games first. Now, these are exclusive to YOBSN. You cannot get these games anywhere else. Now, I'm not sure whether you knew it or not, but it's estimated that more than 50% of the people who log into Facebook go there to play games. Think of that. That's over 500 million people. It's one of the most popular trends on the internet, social online gaming. And we believe a lot of people who play games are going to want to play our games. Why? Well, we've got some great games here and we'll be adding to these games all the time. I'm not a gamer myself. You can see this game's already ready to play. I've just brought it up and it's exclusive to Smart Media's YOBSN. This company, Smart Media, is a company who created YOBSN. They own YOBSN and they create these games. They own all of these games as well. And then I can just go and click. Now, when you play these games, you can win smart points and you can also win prizes like laptop computers, Nintendos, iPods, cash prizes. So we've got that game. Now, if I just click out of that, we've got the Ultra Spaceball game. We've got the Space Treasures game. Now, as I said, I don't play games, but I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to show you these games are already live. I'll actually demonstrate for you to show you how hopeless I am at playing games. You can click on that to see how to play the game. So it shows you very clear. This is a simple game against the computer, right? You click that, and you match 3 in a row. Now, I'll go in and quickly play the game. I click there, go, bing, go down there. Very simple game to play, and so you can see that the game's live. Now, I'm not a gamer, so I'm not going to stay there. I'm just going to close that out. I just wanted to show you that the games were working, right? And we've got the Discovery Adventure game. Now, this game is very interesting because this is hidden object games. We've got a number of games in here that you can play, and I'm led to believe that hidden object games are one of the most popular games on the internet, where you go in and you go on a discovery adventure on a tropical island, into outer space, under the sea adventure. All of those different games are in this game here. And when you go in there, if you're the first person to find the hidden object, then you'll win a prize. Now, the prize might be $50, it might be $100, it might be $500, it might be a laptop computer, it might be 1,000 social points, for example. And the nice thing is with this hidden object game, Discovery Adventure game, you can actually win prizes without even playing the game. I like that because I'm not a gamer, right? Now, how does that work? Well, we give away matching prizes to the referrer of the winner. So all that means is, let's say you know a lot of people who like to play games. So you go and tell them about YOBSN. They join as a YOBSN free member or as a YOBSN owner. And then when they go and play this game, if they win a prize, you win the same prize. So if they win a laptop, you win a laptop. Pretty cool, hey? So we've got the Smart Media games. And then we've also got some other simple games that you can find anywhere. And if I'm just looking for where in the games here, see? So I just click on that and you'll see that that's got all of these, Frogger and Dino Run, and a lot of the kids and Battleship. So a lot of Chinese checkers. You might have played these games if you're a gamer, and they might be of interest to you. The kids love them. You know, great for the kids to have a bit of fun. I'm just going to go back to the dashboard again. Now, what else do we give you for free that I haven't already shown you? Oh, the Fantastic Sites. So I'll do that from down here. The Fantastic Sites is designed to give you all the very best websites on the internet. Now, the first one, firstly, you're going to be able to add, as a user, you'll be able to add your own bookmarks there. So you can put the sites that are your favorites. you know, the favourite websites. So you'll come and all of your favourite websites will be there. So whatever you're looking for, you just click on fantastic sites and all of the sites you visit most often will be right there for you. But then we've also got all of these categories like news and media. If I click on news and media, that's going to bring up all the very best websites for news and media. Like, for example, let's say I went to CNN. Now, I'm going to show you some revolutionary technology now. Okay, this is something that separates YOBSN from any other company out there. Notice how, this is where we were. We clicked on CNN and it opened up in a new window. Now we're on CNN, right? We're on the CNN website. This is where you wanted to go. But notice how YOBSN has followed us. And there's the branding. And so wherever you go on the internet, wherever you go, while this advertising's showing, as a free user, you're earning social points, and as a YOBSN owner, you're earning income because we share this revenue with our members. 75% of the advertising revenue is shared with our members. Now, companies like Facebook and Google, you know, those companies have made billions of dollars from advertising. You know, you go and join those companies for free, and while you're using their services, they've got ads showing and they're making money. Well, Smart Media, the company who created YOBSN, shares 75% of this revenue with our members. Now, if you want to know more about that, just see the YOBSN Money video. Okay, so that's the fantastic sites area. Now, our members love this. Like if you were looking for games, you click on games or health and fitness. Shopping, for example, we've got all the very best shopping sites on the internet, all here. And if you click there once again, it'll open up in a new window. And now we are on the Amazon website, and notice how it followed us again. Wherever we go on the internet, and our members are raving about the great shopping deals and travel deals that they're finding in these sites, all the very best travel sites. So that's the fantastic website sharing system. And then we've also got a fantastic video sharing system. Now, this is all for free. You get all of this for free. Now, once again, it's the same. If you were looking for film and animation videos, you just click on that, and that's going to bring up all the very best film and animation videos. If you're looking for music videos, you just click on music videos, and then all you do is, let's say I wanted to listen to some jazz music. I just click on that, and away I go, and there's some great jazz music and great, yeah. Now I'm just going to close that down. Okay, so that sort of gives you an idea on the fantastic videos, all for free. Now let's just go back to the social dashboard again. I just want to make sure that I've shown you just about everything there is. I think I have. We've cut, the free software. Now in the software, I think this is live now. I'm just going to check that. They might not have that live as yet. Oh no, here it is. This is where we've got hundreds of pieces of free software that you can download. Internet software, security software, video software, audio software, graphics, word processing, game software. And now it's all safe. It's recommended by our experts. We've got expert programmers who search the internet looking for all the very best free software. You might find this software elsewhere, you know, like however, here you know it's safe. There's no viruses, no adware, no spyware, no malware. We scan all of the software with 41 different scanners and test it on many different computers to make sure it's safe for you to download onto your computer, and it's all there. It's going to save you time. You don't have to search the internet. You know that whenever you're looking for free software, you just come here. If you were looking for audio software, you just click on audio, and there's all the very best audio software. And you'll find in the library, in the Smart Technology Library, over here, we've actually got some educational videos on how to use a lot of this software as well. And so I'll just go back to the overview page again. Now, so friends, it's very simple to use. The last but not least, I want to show you the search engines. These are all here on the overview page, and these are there for your convenience again. Like the fantastic sites, if you probably use Yahoo and Google and different search engines. There might be some here you've never used, like DuckDuckGo. Now, once again, if I do a search, let's just do a search on Yahoo, for example. So if I click go, it'll open up in a new page. So this is where I was, and it's opened up in a new page. Now I'm on Yahoo, right? And this is the search that it's brought up for travel. Notice how the dynamic bars followed us. Now, the thing that is very powerful is that, notice this is all the advertising on Yahoo. So we're actually on YOBSN showing Yahoo's advertising. So Yahoo's happy, our users happy because we've taken them to the website they want to go to. But the power of our advertising, I don't want to go a lot into that because this is for free, but just to give you a little teaser so you know, the power of our advertising is if you go away from Yahoo, I close that down, now you don't see Yahoo's advertising, but wherever you go on the internet, whether you're on Yahoo, Facebook, on Google, or you're doing your emails, your banking, our advertising and branding is showing. And that's the power for our advertising and branding. And the value to you, the free user, is we share that revenue with our members, our YOBSN owners, and with our members. If you want to know more about the advertising and branding, see YOBSN branding video. If you want to know more about how you can make money with YOBSN by becoming a YOBSN owner, see the YOBSN money video. I just want to say thank you very much for stopping by and watching this video. My name is Stephen Wright. Now, if I sounded a little bit funny, that's because I'm talking to you from my home office in Melbourne, Australia. So I'm talking with an Australian accent because obviously I'm Australian. And I'm just so happy that you've spent some time with us. I hope that you've got value from us. Now, we do have a tour up here. We also have a training video, and you can also offer suggestions, and if you have any problems. The best thing is to contact your YOBSN owner, your sponsor, and communicate with them, and they'll help you with whatever you need. So have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I really appreciate you stopping by to watch this video. I hope that's helped you to understand the incredible value that we give away for free with YOBSN. I'm biased, of course, but I really believe that our free offer is the most valuable free offer of anything else that is offered online today. But anyway, you can find that out for yourself just by becoming either a free member or a YOBSN owner, and then find it all out for yourself. The more you explore YOBSN, the more value you will find. So have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I look forward to seeing you on one of our other videos or at one of our live webinars. Bye for now.